your work.
All right, show me what you do. What you doing?
We're prospecting.
Prospecting.
What do you do when you prospect?
What are you looking
Look
for?
for gold.
Looking for gold.
Oh.
All right.
Why are you putting dirt in there?
Because there's rocks, tiny rocks in there that could be gold or just plain rock.
Oh. Does that wash it out like a shower?
Sort of.
Okay. Do you know what happens after you put all the dirt in there?
We can look for gold.
Kinda. We're gonna put in a pan, aren't we? Yeah. Yeah, pan like that.
Pan like that right behind her.
And then we're gonna pan the gold.
Yep.
All right, remember a little bit higher, okay? There you go, Ty. There you go. Great job, guys. Let it run for just a minute so there's not a pile up there.
Wait.
Okay. He can put it over to the side of it as long as he's not putting it on top of the same pile.
Because then it makes it bigger and bigger.
And then it just washes out without cleaning the gold out of it.
Look how much gold I have. That could be
Let's hope
gold.
so.